Hi guys, today it is me, Delilah, at Poofy Cheeks vlog, and we are going to be making a Valentine's Starbucks cup, and we are going to show you guys how to do it step by step. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our drill, and we're going to drill a hole on the cup, like maybe right there. And then after that, we are going to start filling it up with like these glitters right here. And then after that, we're gonna have to put half glycerin and then half water. But then after that, we have to use the light cure UV resin to put and cure the hole. And let's get on to the process. 3, 2, 1, go.
In order to drill a hole into the double wall insulated cup, you have to drill through the first layer. So we used a 3/8 inch drill bit, and I let my husband do this part only for fear that I was gonna accidentally go through both parts of the cup, which would have been bad. So he drilled through the top layer of that insulated cup. 3/8 inch drill bit was a perfect size to start putting all our glitters in. We even had some chunkier glitters and some clay pieces, so they went in perfectly. Well, I say perfectly, but you can see we used the same size hole on this cup, and I even put a sticker over it just so I knew for my reference, since it was the first one, where we did the UV resin. It's kind of hard to tell at the end. So getting all of our glitters together, we have a bunch of different kinds of glitters. We have the X and O's and hearts. Those are all going to go down into this hole, and then we can use a weeding hook. That seemed to work really good for getting those thicker pieces kind of pushed down into the cup. Another technique that we found is kind of banging your hand against the side of the cup. That also helped. Now we're gonna add this chunkier glitter, and this is where it gets a little bit more difficult because you're trying to shove all these pieces down into that little hole. So the only thing I can tell you is you need to have some patience. See how those are bigger, plus they're thicker. This is where using the weeding hook really came in handy. We tried using our fingers and stuff like that, but it was just getting stuck once it got down into that hole. So using the weeding hook, you can kind of shove it down in there until it falls to the bottom.
Now we are going to be using Lily's glitter. I cannot tell you how many times we have bought this on Etsy. Oh my god, me and my mom love this glitter. This is like some of the best glitters ever. And this glitter, this is probably going to be really easy to go down this hole since of how like very thin it is and how powdery it is. It's not really going to take long. And just like that, we're literally like done with that glitter. It's already in the hole. Then we're just gonna kind of push it over there. Tap it some more.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these tutorials because these have turned into our new favorite thing.
And we are gonna be making some more videos of these. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like these. We are literally gonna probably be making like tons of these. And so next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna have to use 60% water and 40% glycerin. We did get this glycerin at Hobby Lobby. So now we are just gonna go do that.
We found the best way to put the glycerin and the water into the cup are to use a pipette or a dropper. So we would squeeze it up into the dropper and then put it right into that hole. I first filled this cup with water actually straight from the faucet, just on the lowest setting so it could kind of drip in there and I could control how much we filled. And honestly, this cup we did probably more of a 50-50 water and glycerin. See the glycerin mixing down in with that water. And I should have done 40 water, 60 glycerin. So just a tip there. Once you have your cup completely filled with the water and the glycerin, we need to go ahead and close up the hole on it. So I'm just using some clear tape here. Of course, I love to use this brand, Gorilla. And I'm gonna cut this down into kind of a circle shape, a little bit bigger than the hole that we have on the cup. Then I'm gonna place that piece of tape right over the hole, and as you can see, you can hardly even tell it's there. We're gonna get the Light Cure UV, put that all around the tape and on top of it. And in order to cure this super quickly, I'm gonna take it outside and set it in the sun for literally a minute or less. And you know it's done when you touch it and you don't feel any tackiness. So if you still feel it a little bit tacky, then you need to leave it there in the sun longer. But once it was smooth and no tacky feeling, it's done.